theoretically, can everybody be rich at any point in time in the future, do you think? So like kaise possible hai? Because like I was listening to one other podcast, Joe Rogan pe, I forgot who was the guest, but he mentioned that everybody can be rich. But I think like that somehow contradicts the overall concept of money itself.
So I mean, I'm wondering, I mean, I haven't heard this, but I'm wondering if that idea of wealth comes from a surplus of technology. So let's say energy costs become next to zero when renewables become very efficient at capturing the sun, that those panels last for a long time. So what if we have a world with a surplus of energy? Sabke ghar mein bijli ho. It costs next to nothing. If we have the ability to, create food with much higher yields, sort of things like that. If we have technology, the degree of our chips become faster, cheaper, like they have over 30, 40 years with Moore's law and things like that. So yeah, we could be rich in that respect. Ke ek lihaz se, capitalism, I would argue, it's brought its own kind of communism. And what I mean by that is ke America mein, the super rich and the poor, उनके घरों में तो एक ही चीज़ें होती हैं.
Yeah.
उसके घर में, गरीब के घर में 45 इंच टीवी है, अमीर के 85 इंच है. They have a sound system, they both have cars. So there are deprivations and real poverty. But I'm just saying is ke like the amount of, let's say, वो जो technologically induced provision of, services and consumption, I'm wondering if that's the thing. I think in that respect, maybe people could be rich.
I think it is also about the perspective. So once you mentioned, for example, the lives that we are living right now, maybe 500 years ago, the quality or the facilities that we have.
तो किंग के पास भी नहीं थे.
बादशाह के पास भी नहीं. So उस point of view से अगर देखा जाए तो आज कल के ज़माने में, like in terms of facilities, you have like अगर supply of water coming, if you have like servants, if you have food is served to you 2-3 times a day, and you can predict that you're going to have, in next few weeks or days as well. So उस time के साथ अगर comparison करें तो that is like, we can call that somebody from this time, आजकल के ज़माने में he's rich compared to जो facilities उस time पे available थी. So like in terms of facilities, in terms of quality of life, I mean उसके sense में हम कह सकते हैं कि maybe everybody can be rich, but not, because like then again it's about perspective, how you see that.
And also it depends on like how the nature of public goods will change. So for example, पहले जिसके पास dial-up connection था, he was better off than everyone else because he had to pay for every increment. अब Wi-Fi आ गया, and eventually I foresee कि Wi-Fi will become a public good. कि you'll have the state pumping it out, सबको access होगा, सबका अपना होगा. Let's say अभी you have to pay for health. If there's sufficient technological advancement, everyone will have an option to get at least the most basic done at a very high level. If you have genetic disadvantages हैं, like if you've got mutations, if you've got diseases coming, उसकी cures आ जाए. तो maybe wealth is the wrong word to use. I think what we're talking about is that we're talking about whether you could be well off at a level that you will have a difference of the degree to which you have something, but you all have fundamentally the same thing attached. That may be possible in the future. But again, like if you look at a really technologically advanced country, Israel ko dekh lo.
Yeah.
Supremely technologically. I mean, they've punched above their weight class. लेकिन जो वो गाजा में कर रहे हैं, now that shows you a poverty of mindset. It shows you a poverty of humanity and things like that. So, I mean, I do believe that eventually there will be a diffusion of technology that will benefit most people and it will bring some differences out. But जब तक societies cannot come together and agree, because a lot of things can be solved if we choose to. अब हम सब्सिडी हमने दी है PIA को 10-15 साल, 30 साल हो गए where people don't have national carriers. वो that was a matter of pride 40 years ago. किसी मुल्क का अपना airline हो. We've been pumping money into this. Like with that money, what could you have solved?
Right.
And you know, it's largely because of the way our society is structured, the political system is structured. You know, the interference of the military is structured. That you know we haven't been able to make those decisions. So yeah, I think in some way the march of progress with technology is almost inevitable. The march of society towards progress is not guaranteed.
Right.